Hello everyone, I hope you had a wonderful week. Here is the dollar yen pair on a daily time frame. Now we have finally struck the target around the 110 area that I was looking for quite some time. Still continuing to resist any upside above the 111.30s, and on a technical basis we failed to maintain that weekly broken uptrend line that we were trying to reestablish ourselves on, and once again rejected once again and pushed right down towards the target level 110.10. Rose back up trying to hold on to that 50 period moving average on a daily. That's continuing to be the resistance now. So we have a few things that are happening. We are basically trading in a channel between 111.30s and the 110 level, and again further tightening that range is the 50 as well as the 200, loosening it up to the downside. So that's basically going to be a break of 109.94 as the trigger for the next move to the downside, which will then be a channel trade within the 110 to 109 level before we go ahead and try to push to the downside yet again and then look for a test of those 109s. Now, in the event that we continue to move along this area, that we could see another pop back up to those 111.40s, and I'll drop down to the hourly time frame here to kind of show you what I'm looking at in the near term. And as far as that is concerned, I am expecting to see, a little bit further of a push here, maybe, and then another move back up to try to check those 111s. And we'll see if that even can get the strength to do that. That's why I'm really kind of just waiting to see what happens. If we can come down a little bit sharper here to the 110.10s again, then maybe take a little bit of a scalp trade back up to 110.60 or so, which will be a test of that 50 period moving average at that time, and then probably seeing another push to the downside. So that's a few different outcomes that I am looking for here for the dollar yen, but overall it is looking fairly flat to sideways, and there's probably better opportunities out there in the markets as far as trading goes. And I would say, probably focus more so on the euro, but again, I'll get to that, in that video segment. So if you want and you're interested, you can go ahead and take a look at that. But basically looking flat here on the daily. Weekly pretty much reiterates the same. We are kind of just trading between that channel, as I said, around 110.10 to 111.30s, with the highs getting lower and lower. Expecting to see another challenge of those 110 10s, most likely breaching a bit, doing a fake break around 109.90, maybe 109.94, and then a nice push back up to try to get back into those 111.30s, and then a nice surprise move back down into, as referenced previously, a new channel area before a continuation move to the target that I've been looking for around the 107.50 to 107.40s.